Having trouble with easy Samsung FRP tool? If it fails, your phone stays locked. In this video, we'll guide you through 8 solutions and 1 ultimate fix to resolve common FRP issues step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. Why did easy Samsung FRP tool fail? ADB, loose USB or unauthorized device. USB, missing drivers, security, firmware blocks FRP, conflicts, case, smart switch, antivirus tool, incompatible version, permissions, admin rights needed, outdated, doesn't support updates, OEM, FRP blocked if off. Part 2 to 8 quick solutions to easy Samsung FRP tool failed. Solution 1, verify USB connection. Solution 2, check or install Samsung USB drivers. Solution 3, disable driver signature. Solution 4, install tool in safe mode. Solution 5, update drivers via device manager. Solution 6, try compatibility mode. Solution 7, update PC Windows. Solution 8, restart ADB service manually. Part 3, fix easy Samsung FRP tool failed in an ultimate way. Easy Samsung FRP tool has issues with drivers and newer firmware. Android Lock Wiper supports more brands Galaxy S26 and offers a smoother FRP bypass, unlocking pins, patterns, and fingerprints with no data loss on some devices. How to guide. Download and install the software. Select Remove Google Lock FRP and Advanced Mode. Connect your Samsung phone, then click Start. Back up your device to avoid data loss. Follow instructions to provide device info and click Next. Enter recovery mode as prompted. Select PDA, country, and carrier, then click Download. Afterward, click Start to extract, and follow the on-screen instructions to place your device into download mode, enable USB debugging, activate OEM unlock, and extract the firmware, among other critical tasks. Ultimately, the software will commence the FRP unlocking process.